Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be learning about unordered lists, which are just like lists that contain bullet points. So let's open up our code editor and you can clear all this. Now in HTML we create unordered lists using the UL tag, which is short for unordered lists. Then we create list items using the li tag. So in an unordered list you have list items, so you can put any text into this list items. You can have like item 1 and copy this some more times, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when we go back into our web browser and refresh, you should see something like this. So you can see we have the item 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and they each have bullet points preceding them. So this is how we can list items in HTML using unordered lists. And we can also have nested lists inside this list. So let's say we change this text now to something like coffee, then tea, milk. Then inside this list item we can have an unordered list containing different types of tea. So we can have one unordered list carrying black tea and green tea. So when we go back and refresh, it should look something like this. We can see the list having coffee, tea, then under tea we have black tea, green tea, then the list continues with milk. So you can have nested lists inside, you can have lists inside an unordered list. So you can just play around with this and see what you can do with it. And one last thing, in our last video we looked at formatting text. So we can add some text formatting to each of these items. So for the first one we can have it in italic using the em tag, then T can be bold using the strong tag, then can use the inserted tag on milk, and these two can just be deleted. So when you go back to your web page and refresh, you should see the text formatting apply. So we can use text formatting in different elements, not only paragraph tags. As you can see, we have used it in the li tag. So that's it for now, and in the next video we are going to be looking at ordered lists, which is just a list like this but using numbers and letters. So as always, see you in the next video and bye for now.